Hey guys, good morning. So right now it's after 7:30 in the morning. We're in Olsztyn right now. Pretty tired last night. I didn't really sleep too well, but we're going to the city of Gdansk via train right now. So we should be there probably in the next 2 hours and spend half a day over there in the just north of Poland over here. So we'll see you there. Well, that was my train going all the way to Gdansk, and I freaking missed it because we had some parking issues earlier and they only gave us 2 minutes to make the train. So I tried to go up there and they locked the door just as I got up to the platform up there, and end of story. So I had to wait for the other one. Okay, so we're gonna go from another train station here in Olsztyn. There's a train that was an hour and a half later after the one that I missed. So we have this one now. I'm gonna head over there to Gdansk and we'll be there by noon. So see you on the train. So I made it to Gdansk. The train ride was 2.5 hours, but we made it, and pretty good, beautiful day to enjoy out here. So we're gonna go check out the old town area, then probably head over to the by the water over there. Church, and I'm gonna try to go look for some coffee right now because I am pretty tired after that train ride. So hopefully a little coffee stop next. Well, so far it's a nice day here in Gdansk. The weather's warmed up, blue skies, a bunch of restaurants behind me. It's pretty neat out here. So still in the city of Gdansk. We're probably gonna go take a head over, take a train up to Sopot, right next to the water over there. There's a big pier, probably go check that out, and then can finish the day over there. Welcome to Sopot. Alright, well that's it for the Gdansk trip and Sopot. We'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.